In today's video, we will take out the tail light for 2022 Honda HR-V. First, we will open the trunk. We'll take out these two screws one by one using Phillips screwdriver. Once both the screws are taken out, now we will slightly push the tail light from the edge until it comes out. There you see the tail light popping out. This is the bracket that was holding on the tail light, and this is the spot of the tail light where it was slided onto that bracket. In case if you just want to change the bulb, just turn this plug anti-clockwise and pull the plug outwards. Now we will take out the plug. Suppose we got a new bulb and we will put it back, does not matter this way or the other. We will install a new bulb and then press until we hear a clicking sound. And that is how you replace the bulb. This harness is actually attached right there and we need to take it out. Once it's free, now we will make some room in order to take out this white plug right there. Here I'm using a clip remover tool to push this plug outwards. There we took out the bracket of the plug, but we are still yet to take out the plug. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to make some room where the tab is, and then I will pull the plug outwards. There is the plug taken out, and with that we are done taking out the taillight completely. Now the next steps will be on how to install the new taillight. Very first thing you do is just you take this wiring and then install it right to the spot there. You just press it in like that so that it fits in, and then plug right there. Make sure you install it this way. So this side has to go on top. Now you take it and then you install the plug right there. Once the bracket is installed, now we take the white color plug and then we install it back to where it was. You may have to force this a little bit until it completely goes in. Here I'm trying to point something out to you guys. So this point needs to come right here. There we go, it went completely in and this is attached. Now we move on and install the plug with the bulb. We have to match the teeth of the plug with the teeth of the tail light right there. You can just keep turning onto it until it finds its spot. Once it goes in completely, now we turn the plug clockwise to completely install it firm and strong. Once we're done with this part, now we will make sure that this side of the tail light is slided into this clip. Now very carefully we will place the tail light right to its spot and then push it one final time. Here we are putting back both the screws and making sure to tighten that with Phillips screwdriver. Once both the screws are tight enough, with that we are done replacing the taillight completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.